Forget the expensive creams and fleeting cosmetic fixes. The true secret to slowing down aging doesn't lie on the surface. It resides deep within us at a microscopic level. It is found within our very cells. Understanding these fundamental biological processes is paramount. This is where the real battle against aging is fought. It's about rejuvenating from the inside out, not just masking the passage of time. Our quest is for true vitality. Today, we are armed with something far more powerful: scientific knowledge. We are beginning to unravel the complex mechanisms that drive aging. This is about extending our health span, the years we live in good health and full capacity. Prepare to see aging in a new light. So what exactly is cellular aging? Imagine it as a slow, steady erosion. It's the gradual breakdown of our cells' ability to function optimally. Think of your body's cells like tiny, intricate machine. Over many years of constant work, parts begin to wear out. Efficiency drops. Repairs become less perfect. This cumulative decline at the cellular level is what we perceive as aging. It affects every tissue and organ in our bodies. It is the root cause of age-related ailments. First, our cellular power plants, known as mitochondria, begin to fail. Second, our precious DNA, the genetic instruction manual for life, accumulates damage. Third, a vital molecule called NAD+ becomes depleted. Mitochondria are often called the powerhouses of our cells. They are tiny organelles responsible for converting the food we eat into cellular energy. This energy, in the form of ATP, powers virtually every activity our body performs, from the beating of our hearts to the firing of our neurons. However, as we age, these vital powerhouses start to falter. They become less efficient at producing energy. Think of them as aging batteries that can no longer hold a full charge. They may also become damaged, producing more harmful byproducts. These byproducts are reactive oxygen species, or free radicals. This decline in mitochondrial function has profound consequences throughout the body. We may experience a noticeable decrease in our overall energy levels. Restoring or maintaining mitochondrial health is a critical goal. Our DNA is the very essence of who we are biologically. It contains the complete set of instructions for building and operating our bodies. This genetic blueprint is housed within the nucleus of almost every cell. It dictates everything from our eye color to our predisposition to certain conditions. Unfortunately, our DNA is constantly under assault. It faces a barrage of damaging agents from both external and internal sources. External threats include ultraviolet radiation from the sun and various environmental toxins. Internal threats arise from normal metabolic processes. These produce reactive molecules that can harm DNA. Thankfully, our cells possess sophisticated DNA repair systems. However, with age, their efficiency can decline. Preserving DNA integrity is crucial for longevity. NAD+, the essential molecule for cellular vitality. NAD+ is a coenzyme found in every single cell of your body. It is essential for life, participating in hundreds of critical biochemical reactions. Think of NAD+ as a crucial shuttle or a versatile currency within the cell. It plays a pivotal role in enabling enzymes to carry out their specific tasks. Thousands of cellular reactions depend on the availability of NAD+. One of the primary roles of NAD+ is in energy production. It is indispensable for converting the nutrients from our food into ATP. Beyond energy metabolism, NAD+ is essential for DNA repair and genomic stability. A group of enzymes known as sirtuins play a critical role here. Sirtuins help protect our DNA, reduce inflammation, and regulate cellular health. Thus, NAD+ directly fuels these vital defense and maintenance systems within our cells. For optimal benefits, a daily dosage of NAD+ supplements is often recommended, typically ranging from 250 to 500 milligrams. The vanishing spark: understanding age-related NAD+ decline. Our cellular levels of NAD+ naturally and progressively decline as we get older. This decline is not just a minor drop, but a significant reduction that impacts various bodily functions. Research indicates that by the time we reach middle age, our NAD+ levels might be reduced by as much as 50% compared to the levels we had in our youth. This sharp decline can have profound effects on our health and vitality. This decline continues as we age further, leading to a cascade of age-related issues that can affect our quality of life. Why does this critical molecule diminish so dramatically with age? The reasons are multifaceted and complex, involving both internal and external factors. On one hand, our bodies may become less efficient at producing NAD+. This inefficiency can be due to genetic factors, lifestyle choices, and even environmental influences. On the other hand, our consumption of NAD+ increases. This is because our cells require more NAD+ to repair damage and maintain normal functions as we age. This increased consumption is driven by the rising tide of cellular stress, such as accumulating DNA damage and chronic low-grade inflammation. These stressors put additional strain on our NAD+ reserves. Specific enzymes also play a role in depleting NAD+ pools. These enzymes become more active as we age, further accelerating the decline. One such enzyme is CD38, which breaks down NAD+ molecules. The activity of CD38 increases with age, contributing significantly to the reduction of NAD+ levels. This creates a scenario where supply is down and demand is up, leading to a critical shortage of this vital coenzyme. The imbalance between supply and demand exacerbates the aging process. Understanding this NAD+ depletion is a critical piece of the puzzle in our quest to understand and combat aging. By addressing the factors that contribute to NAD+ decline, we can develop strategies to maintain our health and vitality as we age. Turning back time, the science-backed benefits of boosting NAD+. As we age, NAD+ levels decline, leading to reduced energy, cognitive decline, and a weakened immune system. These changes can make daily activities more challenging and reduce overall quality of life. Numerous studies, primarily in model organisms like yeast, worms, flies, and mice, have yielded promising results. These organisms have shown significant improvements in health span and lifespan when NAD+ levels are boosted. These studies suggest that boosting NAD+ can indeed have profound anti-aging effects. The data indicates that NAD+ plays a critical role in cellular health and longevity. In these preclinical models, increasing NAD+ levels has been shown to slow down various aspects of the aging process. This includes reducing the accumulation of aging markers in cells and tissues. For example, it can rejuvenate mitochondrial function, improving energy output. This means that cells can produce energy more efficiently, which is crucial for maintaining vitality as we age. It can enhance the activity of sirtuins, leading to better DNA repair and genomic stability. Sirtuins are proteins that play a key role in regulating cellular health and longevity. It has been linked to improved metabolic health and reduced inflammation. This could potentially lower the risk of age-related diseases such as diabetes and cardiovascular conditions. Remarkably, in some studies, boosting NAD+ has even extended the lifespan of these organisms. This suggests that NAD+ could be a key factor in promoting longevity. While human research is still in earlier stages compared to animal studies, the initial findings are very encouraging. Scientists are optimistic about the potential for NAD+ to improve human health span and lifespan. Clinical trials are underway to investigate the effects of NAD+ precursors in humans. These trials aim to determine the safety and efficacy of NAD+ boosting supplements. The goal is not just to live longer, but to live better for longer. By enhancing NAD+ levels, we may be able to improve the quality of life in our later years, allowing us to enjoy more of the activities we love. To reigniting your cells, practical strategies to elevate NAD+. We can take proactive steps to support and potentially increase our NAD+ levels. Lifestyle choices form the foundation of any strategy to enhance cellular health. Regular exercise, particularly forms like high-intensity interval training or HIIT, has been shown to stimulate the body's natural production of NAD+. Even moderate, consistent exercise can be beneficial. Similarly, dietary strategies like caloric restriction or intermittent fasting have demonstrated positive effects. These practices can reduce the consumption of NAD+ by certain enzymes, and they can upregulate the pathways that synthesize NAD+. Supplementation offers another promising avenue for directly boosting NAD+ levels. The most studied precursors are nicotinamide mononucleotide, or NMN, and nicotinamide riboside, or NR. These compounds are essentially building blocks for NAD+. Look for high-quality supplements from reputable brands that provide third-party testing for purity and dosage. As always, it is wise to consult with your healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. A new dawn for longevity, embracing a future with enhanced health span. Our understanding of the biology of aging is expanding at an unprecedented rate. The focus is shifting from merely adding years to our lives to enhancing the quality of those years. It's no longer solely about extending lifespan, the total number of years we live. Instead, the emphasis is on health span, the period of life spent in good health. It is increasingly about enhancing health span. This means not just living longer, but living better with more vitality and fewer health issues. This means maximizing the number of years we live in vibrant, robust health, free from the debilitating diseases of aging. Imagine a future where aging doesn't mean a decline in quality of life. Cellular health is the absolute cornerstone of achieving an extended health span. Healthy cells mean a healthy body, and this is where the science is making incredible strides. NAD+ is a pivotal player in maintaining that cellular health. This coenzyme is essential for the proper functioning of our cells and has been shown to play a critical role in the aging process. By understanding the mechanisms of cellular aging, such as mitochondrial decline and DNA damage, we can develop strategies to combat these issues. And by recognizing the critical role of NAD+ in counteracting these processes, we can potentially reverse some aspects of cellular aging. We can begin to proactively manage how our bodies age. This proactive approach is about taking control of our health before problems arise. This represents a profound paradigm shift from reactive medicine to proactive preventative health. It's about maintaining health rather than just treating disease. The ability to influence our cellular biology is moving from the realm of theory into practical application. The future is now, and it holds the promise of a healthier, more vibrant life for all.